Sometimes the terms downloading and uploading can be confusing, depending on what type of computer application you are discussing. With PLCs, programs are normally written on a personal computer while not being connected to the PLC. To run the program, it must be transferred to the PLC. The process of moving the program from the personal computer to the PLC is called downloading. It is also possible to move a program that is on a PLC to the personal computer. The process of moving the program from the PLC to the personal computer is called uploading. The TND, or temporary end instruction, can be used to troubleshoot or debug a ladder logic program. The TND instruction acts just like the end at the last line of a program. It can either be added to a program as an unconditional rung, or it can be conditional. This is an example of the use of a TND instruction. As long as rung 4 is false, the TND instruction will not be executed and all of the rungs are processed. When the rung with the TND instruction becomes true, the rungs after it are not processed. Note that the input status changes, but it does not affect the outputs until the TND instruction is false. The suspend instruction, SUS, can be used to debug or troubleshoot a program. When the suspend instruction is false, the program operates normally. When the suspend instruction is true, the PLC processor stops processing the rungs and copies the ID number in the suspend instruction to memory location S:7 of the status file. If multiple suspend instructions are being used, they can all be assigned unique numbers so you know which one was responsible for stopping the program. The monitoring function of the PLC application that runs on a personal computer can help troubleshoot problems with the field devices. When you open and close inputs to the PLC, you should see the status in the input table change and the status of instructions addressed to those inputs change. If they do not change as expected, there may be a problem with the input device, the wiring, or possibly the input module of the PLC. If the output field devices don't change when the outputs of the PLC change, there may be a problem with the output module, the wiring, or the field device. If the inputs and outputs behave as expected, the problem may be with the logic of the program.